Hey guys, so I'm trying this new product today. So I'm always experimenting with new swaps. So I came across this product in my local supermarkets. It's sweet potato wraps, which I found a bit intriguing. And because I'm always looking for swaps, I'm gonna give this a go today for my working lunch, and I'll show you what I come up with in the end and let you know what I think about this product. What got my attention is not because it's gluten-free or free from whatever it is, but more about the content. So it's made with sweet potato, beetroot, and carrots. And I'm like, how do you make a wrap with that? And automatically, straight away, what I can see here is each wrap is only 83 calories, which is half to 2/3 of the calories you will get in a wrap that is made with white flour of the same size. So that was my first attraction. Then the ingredients are really good ingredients, high fiber content ingredients, fruits and veg and high fiber roots. That's sweet potato, beetroot, and carrots. So I'll let you know. Hang in there. I'll do this, show you, and then we'll have a quick chat afterwards. Okay, catch you later. Okay, so here we are. So that's my tortilla wrap with my base. So basically what I've done here is that I'm using hummus dip. So basically the reason why I like wraps is it's just easy when I'm working from home or even working in the office. Quick lunch that I can put together in 10-15 minutes. Beautiful, enjoy it, delicious, and it's filling. One. Then because I love hummus dip a lot, tortilla wraps are just my excuse to just have hummus dip. So what I've done today, throughout the week, I've had salads with fish, with meat, animal protein basically. So today I'm just using this with mixed beans. If you are interested in the recipe, look in the comments or description, wherever you're watching the video, and feel free to download the recipe. I want to share a few things about this with you, but you know what? The proof is in the pudding. Let me eat first, then I'll talk to you. That was really good. I honestly couldn't tell that I was eating. See, I'm still doing my mouth. I was eating something that is not flour. Actually, this tastes really, really good. Based on taste only, I think I'm going to be buying this again. It tastes good. I think because wrap is one of those things that the filling that you normally use have really high and strong flavor profiles. So I really couldn't tell that I wasn't eating flour. Now, I told you earlier why I love this product. I decided to try it. It tastes good, so tastes thick. Calories, this is 83 calories per wrap. When I checked again online, the standard white flour wrap that I saw that's of the same size is 182 calories per wrap. So that means that, because the wrap I eventually made with all the ingredients in came to 250 calories. So it means that if I made the same lunch with like-for-like ingredients and just replaced this with a standard wrap, I would have eaten 350 calories, 100 calories. So this product is saving me 100 calories. The other thing is, when I checked the back of pack for this product is actually high in fiber, like I suggested earlier. I knew that because I knew that those ingredients are high fiber ingredients. So it's giving me 15% fiber content. 15 grams of this product, of every 100 grams, is fiber. And the standard white flour wrap that you buy, the one I checked online, that has 182 calories, is only 2.7% fiber. So this kind of product, for me, is a smart swap, because I can eat more for less calories and more nutrients and still not be hungry. I'll be filled. So my only reservation on this is when I check the ingredient lists, there's just too many additives, too many E numbers. And being a food technologist, I think I can understand why. Because you are trying to make ingredients, potatoes, beetroot, carrots, ingredients that normally won't behave like flour. You are trying to manipulate the properties to make them look like a baked product. So my only ask or what I will do next time now is when I go in to check this, I will check them on other retailers and see if we have one that has more cupboard ingredients and less additives. But overall, if you have allergy to gluten, or this one is gluten-free, wheat-free, not an egg-free. So if you are allergic to all of those things, everything free, this is a good one. But if you're actually trying to watch your calories, watch your weight, and still eat filling and delicious meals, like I mentioned in my video last month, this is a smart swap. Watch out for my video next month. I'm going to be sharing 10 of my favorite smart swaps. This won't be there because I only found this one yesterday. But if you are interested in the recipe for this, click in the comments below or above, wherever you're watching it, and download the recipe.